love you, my sons.
Loki, I thought the world of you. I thought we were going to fight side by side forever. Well, maybe you're not so bad after all, brother.
Maybe not.
Thank you. Through here, I might even give you a hug.
I'm here.